Hello everyone, welcome to TND Product channel. Today we will introduce how to add camera to NVR. We will show the following contents to introduce the adding methods. 1. How to enter the configuration interface. 2. Different camera status. 3. 4 ways to add camera. 4. PoE plug and play mode. Now let's show section 1, how to enter the configuration interface. NVR provides many configuration interfaces. You can choose what you want to add camera. Let's show you. There are 3 ways in GUI and 1 way in web interface. For the first way of GUI, if you miss the quick setup wizard, NVR can remind you again. For the second way of GUI, we can click plus sign on the channel screen to add camera. For the GUI 3, we can enter the interface of channels management, search and add camera. Except GUI, we can also add through the web interface if you want to use computer instead of GUI. Now, before adding camera, let's introduce a different camera status. Usually, new camera is non-activated and the default IP address is 192.168.1.2 without initial password. After you setting the password, the status will be activated. For non-activated camera, NVR can activate camera automatically with NVR password and change camera IP address to avoid IP address conflict. For activated camera, the camera password may be different with NVR, so we need to notice the password when adding camera. Next, let's show the section 3 about how to add camera. There are 4 locations we should know. The first one, reminder in boot process. For a new NVR of Lite series, we have a special way. NVR can remind you to add camera if you miss the quick setup wizard. Click yes, it will search and add camera automatically. Wait for a moment, we can see 2 cameras have been added to the NVR. We can check the 2 added cameras information in channels management interface. Next one, let's show the common ways. For our NVR series, we can click plus sign on the preview interface to add a camera for a certain channel. Click plus sign to enter the add interface. Search cameras first, then select one camera and add. For the non-activated camera, NVR can set camera's password by NVR's password and change camera's IP address to avoid IP address conflict. For the activated camera, we need to input the camera password. If the camera was added, it will not be searched out again, which can avoid repetitive adding. The third location is Channels Management Interface. We can enter the Channels Management Interface to add camera. There are 3 ways to enter the interface: Main Menu, Channels, and Front-End 3 Smarts. Click any of the 3 buttons above and this screen will appear next. As we all know, there are 3 situations for camera. For the first 2 situations, we can use Search and Add, Quick Add, and Double-Click Add to add camera directly. Camera can be added to NVR quickly. Now, let's show the operation. As for search and add, we can click search button to search camera, select and click add. Then, camera can be added to NVR. For non-activated cameras, NVR can activate cameras by its own password and change camera IP address. For activated camera with the same password to NVR, we needn't to input the password anymore. As for quick click Quick Add button. NVR can automatically search and add camera to the idle channel. For non-activated camera, NVR can active camera automatically. For activated camera, we also need to input the camera. As for double-click add, click search button to search camera, then double-click the searched camera to add one by one. For non-activated camera, NVR can active camera automatically. For activated camera, we also need to input the camera. For the third situation, activated camera with different password to NVR. We need to modify the password after adding camera. After adding the camera, we can see the username or password error. Now, we can modify camera password one by one. We can also modify camera password by battery. As for customized adding, we can search camera first, then select one camera and click Customize Adding button. We can see the IP address can be input here. Then input the password and click Add. The camera can be added. We can also click Customize Adding button directly without selecting the search camera, but now we need to input the IP address we want. As for batch adding, select one camera first and click Customize Adding button. Then click Batch Adding button. We can set IP address assigning and other parameters and then confirm. After that, modify the password one by one and click Add. Finally, all cameras can be online. For the situation of different network segments of camera and NVR, we can modify camera IP address on NVR. Firstly, modify camera IP address to NVR network segment. Then search again. The IP address can be updated. Now we can select and add camera to NVR. As for the situation of different network segments, we can also enable the Start the Internet for searching. Click System Setting button and enter the Web Service interface. Enable the Start the Internet for searching function. Then, camera in different network segments can be online too. Now, let's introduce the first location, Add Camera through Web Interface. Log in the NVR Web, enter the Digital Channel interface. We can also add camera by Search and Add. Customers Adding, Quick Add. The option method is similar to GUI. As for Search and Add, search camera first, then we can select and add camera. As for customers adding, click the button, input IP address and password, click Confirm, then the camera can be added. As for Quick Add, click the button. NVR can search and add camera automatically. Finally, we can add camera by PoE mode of PSE NVR. NVR and camera both need to support PoE mode. When we connect camera through network cable to NVR PoE ports, we can see the pilot lamp is on. Now, let's connect cameras and NVR with network cable. All cameras were connected. Wait for a moment. Camera can be online automatically by PoE plug and play mode. Now the introduction is over. Have you learned?